What is up, fellow Pyro Fanatics? It's Pimp Daddy 28 here, and today I'm going to show you guys a demo of a 500 gram cake called Rio by Winda. It's a 25 shot cake, classic cake by Winda. It's been out for quite a while now. It's a very popular cake among the 500 gram variety that Winda offers. Obviously, it's based off of the famous, the name of the cake is based off of the famous city in Brazil. Alright. And we got the performance description on the side over here. We got loud whistling mines with colors, pearls and strobes to ruby, emerald, lemon, blue assorted dahlias with color strobes, and titanium chrysanthemum. A noisy and colorful cake that brings you to Rio Carnival. And there's the barcode for you guys to scan if you want to see the product demo of this cake on the Winda website. Alright, so that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoy this demo, and let me know what you think. Okay, we got Rio. Oh, sorry. We got Rio by Winda. Oh, nice. Nice! Oh damn, I thought it was... I guess it's still going. I thought it was over before that one.